Hey guys, it's Brian and welcome back to another Firebird Friday episode here on Arrowhead Garage. Today we're tackling the emblem placement on a 400 hood. So if you have a 67 or 68 and maybe 69, I'll have to check with Jonathan over there at Vinyl Village Garage to see if the 400 is the same there. But for 67 and 68, the reproduction hoods that you buy today, they don't have the emblem holes drilled on the hood of reproduction metal. So today I've had several subscribers reach out and say, hey, since you have an original 467 hood, would you mind measuring and letting us know where the proper placement is for those emblems? So I figured today, let's get that done. I've already done it for the driver's side. I'm going to show you how I did it on the passenger side. And if you need a copy of that, let me know. I'll send it over PDF to you. You can print it out on your printer at home, take it out to the garage, and you're going to be able to lay it down and make it perfect. All right, let's get into this. So the way I decided to make the templates, you can see here, this hole looks like it's a little bit bigger than that hole. And then you have the contour where the scoop actually goes in. So I figured if I kind of laid this out, I'm going to find my first hole, and then right there's that second hole. But I want to make sure the contour is here. So with that, I'm going to use some tape to hold this thing in place. Cheap ass Walmart blue tape. Yep. Wow. Just see if we can't get a fresh here. Okay. Go back on here. We're just going to try to line up that opening. Trying to line this up the best I can here. And then go in and just kind of fill that rough cut there. So then when you get this printout, all you're going to do is cut out where this line is at, and that will line you up with where you need to be. Okay, so then here, when you get my PDF, this will be all blacked out, so that way you know where to cut. That's your hood opening. You can see it lines up perfectly. You just kind of lay it on there and you'll get it. So then, come back over here. Here's that first hole right here. And then here's that second hole. See, I use the ink there to kind of, and again, that one is a little bit smaller. So you have to check your emblems and see what you got. So this here is the passenger side of the 400 deck lid. So now you know where they go. Now the emblems are switched. So you have to make sure one goes on one side, the other goes on the other. They're not reversible. They have a certain way they go on. But that's how it's done right there. Those are your templates. All right, so I took our rough drawings and I went in and put them on the computer and made some printouts. Now I'm going to see if I can cut this and if it'll match up. That way I know you at home, if you download this PDF, you'll have the right dimensions and everything. So let's cut this up and see what happens. We'll do passenger side first. We're just going to kind of basically cut it along this line. So this is being the passenger side. If we lay this down and we kind of follow the contours, okay. Of course, I had that big fan over there because I'm in Phoenix. Okay, so we followed that contour line. Yep. Now the holes, bam. So I got to pick. Let's see. Here's our first one right there. Right dead center. Go straight in. This one right here, straight in the middle. Straight in. Check that out. So it's perfect. You just cut the black part out and line it up with the outside, not the inside, but the outside before it dips down into the hood. Let's go to the driver's side. Let's find out about that one too. Okay, we'll go ahead and cut out the part that says cut out. Just follow it along. And just kind of follow it straight down. Throw that away. We'll get ourselves a few pieces of tape already prepared. One, two, and again, we're going to come in and just kind of follow that contour of that outside line. Okay, first piece of tape going down. Coming over this way. That's pretty darn close. Let's see here. Nope. Nope. Ah, so let's readjust this. So see how I don't have it quite in that corner? So I'll take this back up. We'll start back in the corner here. Get it lined up. Take that side down. Nothing. Nothing. So where is that hole at? How close am I? Ah, I'm a little ways down. So technically, this needs to come down about a 1/4 inch, because there's that, and there's that. So let me get you a little bit closer here. Okay, so as you can see, I got my lines right there, and it's on that outside edge right there. But here, I'll go back in, I'll make another one, and I'll see if I can't move those dots to this section here, and we'll clean this up, and we'll try another time. One more time. All right, so last night we tried this one. We were a little bit off. We were just there and there, so we'll throw this away. See if I can do this again. No. Shaquille O'Neal, the free throw line in 1992-93. All right, so new one. I did move the dots down and over a little bit to line up with the template we made last night. So we're going to cut this out. That real quick here. Get this going. How's your guys' week going? It's 113 today in Phoenix. And this weekend, tomorrow, it'll be Saturday when you're watching this on Friday, 118 for Saturday and Sunday. But it's a dry heat, 6% humidity. Whatever the hell that means. All right, so new template. Cut the hole. Let's get our tape ready. There's one piece, bam. And two pieces. Come on, come on, come on. Two pieces. All right, so follow the contour of that top edge. Okay. That side down, then we'll just take this side up one more time. It's all about those contours. If you start that edge right here and you get that in place, you got that contoured edge coming up here. And just smooth it over this way. Okay, there we go. Now we got it. Okay, I'm bring the camera over and I'll show you what we got. Okay, template number 2.0. If it goes in, it goes in. Number 1, number 2, they're perfect. You make sure you get these corners lined up, and that's the trick of this, is getting that corner right there situated. And now we're ready to rock and roll. So with that being said, we're done. We're done. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this week's Firebird Friday video on making the templates if you have an aftermarket 400 hood for your first gen Firebird, so 67, 68, and 69. Links to these PDFs are down below. Just fill out the little form. I'll email you back the 2 PDFs, print them out on your printer, cut out where it says cut out, lay them down, tape them, and then see the 2 little black marks and punch through. You got yourself perfectly aligned original factory 400 locations, because this is a factory 400 car from 67, so we know it's spot on. Hope you guys like this video. Please give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber and you're a first-gen Camaro Firebird owner, or just a guy that loves working on cars, hit that subscribe button, help me out a little bit. We got a lot more to do on this bird here. And remember, we're starting to get back into our 67 Porsche build, which is going to be coming as we get out of summer here in Phoenix. It's just way too damn hot. All right, guys. Well, it's did I make that? Yes. I should have played in the NBA. No. Nope. Not even gonna go there. Shut it down. Anyways, thanks for watching. I know it was a short video for Friday, but I had, like I said, several subscribers that needed this information. I wanted to make sure I did a template up for you guys. There'll be a link down below to where you can request a copy. I'll email it to you, and you can print it out on your printer at home and simply bring that piece of paper up, follow the contour lines on both sides, tape it down, and bam, make your drill holes. Cool. All right, guys, thanks so much. We'll see you next Friday for another Firebird Friday video.